U.S. Air Force has just unleashed a fighter jet with more firepower than any aircraft in American history. We're talking about up to 22 missiles on a single jet. But here's what most people aren't telling you, that's not even its most dangerous capability. While China and Russia raced to build stealth fighters, the Pentagon made a move that shocked military experts worldwide. Instead of buying only stealth jets, they took a 50-year-old design and turned it into something so powerful that rival air forces are now forced to rethink their strategies. And the twist? This jet can do things the F-35 and F-22 simply can't. Welcome to US and World Report, where we break down the real power shaping global security. Today, we're uncovering the 5 game-changing capabilities of the F-15EX Eagle II, the aircraft that's redefining modern air superiority. 1. The weapons truck that broke all records. Let's start with the numbers that grab Pentagon attention. The F-15EX can carry nearly 30,000 pounds of weapons, more than the entire empty weight of an F-16 Fighting Falcon. This isn't a concept or a future promise. The F-15EX reached full operational capability in July 2024, and it's already changing how the U.S. plans future conflicts. The Eagle II features 12 external hardpoints, plus 2 conformal weapon stations built directly into the fuselage. Boeing completely redesigned the wing structure and added digital fly-by-wire controls, eliminating the limitations that held older F-15s back. As a result, the jet can now carry weapons loads previous Eagles never could. 2. 22 missiles and a new way to fight. In early testing, the Air Force loaded the F-15EX with 12 air-to-air missiles. Standard F-15s max out at 8. But using advanced missile racks and conformal stations, engineers proved the aircraft can theoretically carry up to 22 air-to-air missiles. That's more missiles than many nations have fighter aircraft. But the real power isn't just the number, it's how the F-15EX fights alongside stealth jets. The F-35 flies forward, using stealth to detect enemies. The F-15EX stays back, acting as a flying arsenal. Targets detected by stealth fighters are engaged by missiles launched from the Eagle II, guided by shared battlefield data. This turns the F-15EX into an arsenal fighter, delivering massive firepower without entering heavily defended airspace. 3. Sensors and electronic warfare. That changed the game. The F-15EX doesn't just carry more weapons, it sees the battlefield differently. At its core is the AN/APG-82V1A ESA radar, one of the most powerful fighter radars in service today. It can track multiple targets, jam enemy radars, map terrain, and support air-to-ground strikes, all at the same time. Backing this up is the Eagle Passive/Active Warning Survivability System, known as EPAWSS. This system automatically detects threats, predicts enemy radar behavior, and deploys custom countermeasures in real time. In simple terms, the F-15EX can confuse, blind, and survive against advanced air defense systems, while protecting nearby friendly aircraft as well. 4. Controlling the next generation of combat drones. The future of air combat isn't just manned fighters. The F-15EX is being prepared to command autonomous combat drones known as collaborative combat aircraft. With its 2-seat cockpit, one crew member flies the jet, while the other controls multiple AI-powered drones. These drones can scout ahead, draw enemy fire, strike targets, or sacrifice themselves to protect manned aircraft. A single F-15EX could control up to 4 autonomous aircraft, creating a force multiplier that dramatically shifts the balance of power in the air. This is the kind of capability that military planners across the world are watching closely. 5. Hypersonic weapons and standoff power. One of the most strategic advantages of the F-15EX is its ability to carry hypersonic weapons. These missiles travel faster than Mach 5, maneuver unpredictably, and are nearly impossible to intercept. The F-15EX was designed to carry weapons up to 22 feet long, making it one of the few fighters capable of launching next-generation hypersonic missiles. This allows the aircraft to strike heavily defended targets from outside enemy airspace, reducing risk while delivering devastating precision. 6. 6. The real reason. The Air Force chose the F-15EX. The most important capability isn't visible on the outside. It's the open mission systems architecture. Unlike traditional fighters that take years to upgrade, the F-15EX can receive new capabilities through software updates. New weapons, new countermeasures, and new tactics can be deployed across the fleet in months instead of years. That's why the U.S. Air Force invested billions in the F-15EX. Not because it's old, but because it can evolve faster than any fighter before it. The F-15EX Eagle II proves that modern air superiority isn't just about stealth. It's about firepower, networking, adaptability, and speed of innovation. From record-breaking weapons loads to drone command, electronic warfare, and hypersonic strike capability, the Eagle II represents a new way of dominating the skies. You're watching US and World Report. If this breakdown gave you a new perspective on global military power, hit like, subscribe, and stay with US and World Report for more in-depth analysis of world affairs and defense technology.